జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. ఓ సీతాదేవి, Rama, he doesn't know that you are here. If he knows that you are here, he would definitely immediately start from there, and he would dry up the entire ocean with his arrows, and he would kill all these Rakshasas. O Sita Devi, if Rama comes here to take you from here, if Rama ended up doing fight with all these demons, then Sakshat, even if Yamadharmaraju comes and all the devatas comes and all these demons comes at once and try to stop Rama, he would not stop. He would kill even Yama, Devata and all these demons to take you from here. O Sita Devi, because you are not there with Rama, you cannot even imagine how much of grief he is going through. Like that, Hanuma telling to Sita Devi about Sri Ramachandra Swami. Hanuma saying to Sitamma like this: O Sita Devi, being away from you, Rama is not at all feeling any happy. He is not eating, he is not drinking, he is always thinking about you. Naiva damsan, na masakan, na kitan, na sarisrupan. O Sita Devi, even if ants, flies, snakes coming and falling on his body, he is not driving them away. He is that much unconscious on his body, but he is always thinking about you. O Sita Devi, nityam dhyanaparo Ramo, nityam sokaparayanaha. Always thinking about you. Rama is always crying for you. He is unable to do anything. He is not doing anything. O Sita Devi, anidraha satatam Ramaha. Purushottama Sri Ramachandra Swami is not at all sleeping. If at all he takes a small nap, suddenly, immediately he gets up and saying that Sita, Sita, iti madhuram vanim vyaharan pratibudhyate. He gets up suddenly while saying Sita, Sita. O Sita Devi, Ramachandra Swami, whenever he gets to see a flower, a fruit or any beautiful thing, he suddenly thinks about you. He always remembers you. Ha Priya Sita, like that he always says. O Sita Devi, Ramachandra Swami is making all his efforts to come here and get you from here. Like that, when Hanuma said about Rama, Sitamma felt very happy. And while again crying for Ramachandra Swami, Sita Devi saying to Hanuma like this: Hanuma, when you said Rama is always thinking about me, I felt very happy. But when you said Rama is crying for me, I am feeling pain, grief in that. Both of these contradictory things making me feeling that I am drinking nectar, but it is mixed with poison. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. a special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.